Why do most walking pads become underbed storage within 6 months? Weak motors overheat, belts drift, and loud decks annoy everyone nearby. Today, 5 walking pads go head-to-head on horsepower, incline, noise, and weight capacity. One hits 7.5 miles per hour. One supports 450 pounds. One runs below 40 decibels. Stay for the final verdict. Check the description links for current prices. Let's get started. Number 5 of our list. Joxir stands out for one reason. It covers both underdesk walking and faster home workouts in one compact frame. Speed ranges from 0.6 to 7.5 miles per hour, so it handles slow walking, brisk walking, and light running. The motor is listed at 2 to 2.5 HP, and noise stays below 45 dB, which helps in apartments or shared rooms. The manual incline adjusts up to 8 degrees, adding more intensity without needing a larger treadmill. It does not offer auto incline, but the handlebar, foldable build, and magnetic remote make everyday use easier. The 38x15-inch deck gives enough room for a natural stride, while 6 silicone shock absorbers reduce stress on knees and ankles. The LED display shows speed, steps, distance, calories, and time. With a 360-pound capacity, it fits a wide range of users. Best for users who want one machine for walking and light running. Number 4. TRAILVIBER makes the strongest first impression with one major spec: 450-pound capacity plus automatic incline control. That combination is rare in a compact walking pad. The reinforced alloy steel frame is built for stability, and the 2.5 HP motor is designed for quiet operation. Speed tops out at 4 miles per hour, so this one is focused on walking rather than jogging. The advantage is the 9-level auto incline system that reaches 12%. Which adds more challenge without manual adjustment. Bluetooth speaker support and the FitYo app make longer sessions less repetitive. The RGB LED display shows incline, speed, calories, time, and distance in a more visible format than basic panels. Joint comfort is supported by 4 silicone shock absorbers, a double-deck structure, and a 5-layer anti-slip belt. No assembly is required, which improves the out-of-box experience. Best for heavier users and anyone who wants incline walking without manual setup. Number 3. Egofit Walker Pro is built around one specific use case: walking while working without taking over the whole room. This is a walking-only machine with a maximum speed of 3.1 miles per hour, so it is not meant for jogging. Instead, it focuses on quiet office use, compact storage, and steady movement during work hours. The fixed 5% incline helps increase effort without needing higher speed. Its 2 HP motor uses 550 watts of input power, and operating noise stays below 70 dB, which is manageable for home office use and video calls. The 38x16.5-inch deck is one of the wider surfaces in this group, giving better foot placement during long sessions. The 220-pound capacity is lower than others here, but the steel frame is made for regular daily use. App and remote controls make speed changes easy, and built-in wheels help with storage. Best for remote workers focused on daily steps during office hours. Number 2. THERUN earns attention by being one of the easiest models to move and store without giving up incline support. At 38 pounds, it is the lightest option in this lineup, and the low body profile fits under sofas or beds more easily than taller units. The 2.5 HP motor supports up to 300 pounds and is intended for quiet indoor use. Speed ranges from 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour, which suits walking and brisk walking well. The 6% manual incline adds workout intensity, though users who want button-controlled incline may see that as a limitation. Still, the quick one-step incline setup keeps it practical. The 35.5x 15-inch running belt uses a 5-layer anti-slip design, and 6 silicone shock absorbers help reduce impact. The LED display covers speed, distance, steps, calories, and time. Remote control support improves convenience during desk sessions. Best for apartment users who need compact storage and steady daily walking performance. Number 1. Rayspace 2025 leads with the spec most buyers notice first, the strongest motor in this comparison. It is rated at 3.5 HP, yet noise stays below 40 dB, which gives it a strong balance between performance and quiet use. Speed ranges from 0.6 to 6 miles per hour, so it covers underdesk walking and light jogging. The manual incline reaches 8%, adding more intensity for users who want hill-style sessions at home. It does not include auto incline, but the stronger motor helps offset that by keeping movement smooth under load. The alloy steel frame supports up to 330 pounds. A 36x 15-inch anti-slip belt, 10 shock absorbers, and adjustable shock pads improve joint comfort during longer workouts. The smart app and remote give better control over speed and workout tracking. Foldable storage and transport wheels also improve daily usability. Best for users who want stronger motor performance with quieter operation and better cushioning. Which one should you buy? Best pick. Product number 1, Rayspace 2025. Strongest motor at 3.5 HP. Quietest below 40 decibels. 10 shock absorbers lead the group. 6 mph covers walking and jogging. Smart app adds remote tracking. Alloy steel holds 330 pounds. Most capable quiet machine in this comparison. Best overall. Product number 5, Joxir. Widest speed range at 7.5 miles per hour. 8-degree incline with 360-pound capacity. 6 shock absorbers. Magnetic handlebar remote. Foldable with full LED tracking. Covers the broadest use cases in one machine. Budget-friendly. Product number 2, THERUN. Lightest at 38 pounds. Lowest profile at 4.17 inches. Tool-free 6% incline. 6 shock absorbers. Built-in transport wheels. Reliable daily performance without premium cost. All product links with current pricing are in the description below. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown helped you choose confidently, hit subscribe for more data-driven comparisons.